Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start right now by checking two essentials: battery level and a working backup, because power loss or data loss stops progress. Once done, note device X's exact build and whether a custom recovery or unlocked bootloader exists, since that changes commands you'll run. Make sure USB debugging and developer options are enabled. Connect to a trusted PC with the correct cable. Then reboot to the OS once to verify normal operation before invoking any safe mode exits. This ensures you proceed with the most reliable methods in order. First, try a forced reboot. Hold power for 10 seconds because that clears transient safe mode flags. If that fails, use the built-in toggle, open notifications, or navigate to Settings System and turn off safe mode. This uses the OS state machine to reboot cleanly. Once those fail, use ADB from your PC. Run a DB devices to confirm connection, then a DB shell and the disable command for safe mode. Each step escalates while preserving data. You finish by clearing lingering state. Boot into recovery and wipe the cache partition, because cache services can retrigger safe mode. Once done, reboot normally and inspect recent app installs or system mods. Uninstall anything installed just before the problem, as that often resolves persistent entries. If none of this works, restore from your backup and, as a last resort, do a factory reset. Make sure you have the backup validated first. If something goes wrong, rerun ADB logcat to capture errors for diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.